Hi, my name's Grace, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Documents and Strategies page on your new website. To create a Documents and Strategies page, go to Content, Add Content, and select CT9 Documents and Strategies page. You can give your new page a title, a brief content summary, and select a category for the content. Paragraph types can be added to the body section and are found by clicking the Add Paragraph drop-down in the lower left corner. For this type of page, you will want to add a PT3 document paragraph type to allow for file uploads. For a more detailed overview of paragraph types, watch our paragraph type video tutorials. If you have two or more paragraph types inserted, you can rearrange their order on your page by dragging the boxes up or down. To view your changes before saving, you can use the preview button at the top right, and always remember to save your changes before you finish. That's a brief overview of how to create a Documents and Strategies page. I'll see you in the next video.